Hi, AT from CNC at Home. I started doing some pencils again. A friend of mine gave me a box and he said, yeah, have at it. So I was looking at my parameters and trying to get those set again. This first burn was at 10,000 millimeters per minute at 20% power. This next burn is at 5,000 millimeters per minute at 20% power. And that just wasn't good enough. So I slowed it down to 2,000 millimeters per minute at 40% power. And this burns all the way edge to edge on those pencils. So here I'm doing a burn, and I put 3 pencils together. I thought it'd be kind of cool to see how this worked out. The intention is multiple pencils making kind of a puzzle. Here you can see how the laser beam is really focusing down on the material. Up at the laser head itself, it's wider and it gets narrower and narrower as it gets down to the material. That's why it's important to get your laser focused properly. From this angle, the word pencil doesn't look quite normal. It looks skewed a little bit, and that's because we're looking at it from the side versus looking straight down. Let's look straight down at this. And now it looks normal. I used a silver crayon to fill in where the laser had burned. This helps the contrast between the yellow. Looks kind of good. I did a couple more burns with the laser and was amazed at the good detail I got using this method. So I think I'll be doing some more pencils.
Oops.
Hi, I'm AT from CNC at Home. If you like our content, help support our channel by clicking on subscribe and liking our videos. Thank you for watching this video. Have fun with your CNC at Home projects.